Happy Mother's Day! Hey guys, we're super excited to bring you this DIY Mother's Day gift basket haul today. Everything in our haul is around $50 and under, so extremely affordable. And we will link everything below in the description box. So if you love affordable hauls, then make sure to click on that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything. And on that note, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, first up, we have our bag to put everything in. So, we have this faux leather bag. They come in 30 different colors, so 30 different color options on Amazon. And as you can see, it has this rectangular base, so it can stand very easily, which is really great. And it has this cute tassel in the front on the strap. And
this purse also has 18,000 reviews on Amazon, and it's rated at 4.5 stars. And I don't know if we said it or not, but they are, best part about this, $12. Some of them are around $10. So I guess that's probably why it's rated so highly. It's very hard to find something that's cute and affordable these days. So we thought we would use this as our gift bag because obviously it's very reusable and it's lovely that it has so many different color options to choose from as well. So we're going to go ahead and fill this bag, and we're going to start out with our loungewear sets. All right, so the first thing we're going to add to our gift bags is a loungewear set. So I have a 3-piece loungewear set. It is a fuzzy 3-piece loungewear set, and the top is sort of like a crop top, and it comes with a cardigan, and it has a Sherpa type feel texture to it. It's super, super soft, and the pants are wide leg pants, but they also come in the fitted style as well. Now this particular set comes in 25 different colors, patterns, and styles. Like I said, they have the different type of pants, and also they have the color block pattern for the cardigan, and they also have solids. So lots there to choose from. This one runs around $50, and it is highly rated on Amazon. It's one of the most popular loungewear sets that you'll see.
all right, and then I have a 2-piece loungewear set, and this shirt has 3 different colors here, and the material is really soft. This is $34 on Amazon, and they have 30 different colors and patterns. I think I saw a couple that were tie-dye and a couple that had some words on it, and a couple other ones that were the same pattern but just different colors. So this is really fun. Another cool thing about this set is that it is appropriate for a lot of different things.
You can go out in warm weather, you can go out in cool weather. It's good for all weather, and it's good to go for a casual stroll. It's good if you're just shopping in the market, or you could use it as a sleep set. And another cool feature on this is that it has pockets. I mean, don't we all love pockets? And it has the drawstring at the top, so it is adjustable. All right, we have our lounge sets rolled and ready to go, and we are actually going to put our next item in so that we can kind of build up the base of our bags. If you need to make adjustments when you're filling your bags, we have Ziploc baggies that are filled with air. So if you use these, you can actually tier what you have inside. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in. We may need to let a little bit of air out. We may need to adjust it as we go, but the idea is just to kind of fill up the base. And it's easy to find a Ziploc bag, and it's easy to add the air and adjust it, so that's why we chose that. Make it look a little bit more full. Now the next thing on my list is a spa set. I have purchased this spa set from Amazon. This is actually a 10-piece set, And I chose this because I was originally thinking about going to the Dollar Tree and getting each of the items at the Dollar Tree, but this one was so affordable that I thought, how could you pass that up? So this one is around, I believe, $17 on Amazon, and it is a 10-piece set, and it comes with the little basket as well, and obviously highly rated. It has a body wash, it has a bar of soap, it has the petals, the bath salts, it also has body lotion and massage oil. And it also has this cute little bag that you can put these items in. So very cute. We're gonna go ahead and put this in. And I want this to show at the top. So what I will probably do is also take the bag that is keeping it nice and safe and secure. I'll take that bag off of it as well. And then I'll just start inserting the rolled items in the side.
All right, and then I have some Adidas shoes. So let's open this up.
I love these shoes. They're so cute.
These are so fun. So these are $55 on Amazon, which is a really good price for Adidas. And
yes, they're on sale right now. I believe they had them marked at $65, but they are on sale, so go and get them now.
And they come in 11 different colors. So they have a black one, I think I saw, a pink one, and some more options for the colors. But you guys will have to go check these out. These are really, really soft material at the bottom, and
it's got that breathable fabric, and it doesn't have the laces, so you have that, it's an easy on off without those laces there. And I just love the way they have the gold Adidas written and the rose color to it, so it really matches that loungewear set well.
All right, so I went ahead and removed the bag, and we figured out that the box from my next item that I'm going to show you guys is perfect to go in the bottom. So this is the box, and it fits perfectly right down here. And so when I'm done talking about this item, I'm going to put all of these in here on top of the box. All right, so my next item is an infused water bottle. It's $21 on Amazon, and they have 3 different colors. I saw purple, black, and this rose gold color. So, get it out. So, that's really fun. It has this little,
it has an insulated exterior to it to keep your drinks nice and cool.
It's like a little cozy. Mm-hmm. And then, so how these work, I'm sure you guys have seen one before, but what you do is this unscrews, and you can put fruit or whatever you want your water to taste like in this area, and it has little holes on the sides and on the top, and so you screw this back on once you're done putting everything you want in it, and then you put this back on here. And then you can unscrew the top and
put in your water, tea, whatever fluid that you want to drink.
You put it in there. And then the top of this is really cool as well because it has a lock. So it immediately locks, and then you pull it down to unlock it, and then you can push the bottom to open it. That's what it looks like.
And if you choose not to use the infused part, you can always take that out. So you don't need to use the interior infusion part.
Yes.
You can always remove that.
So
really cute bottle. We'll go ahead and add that in. All right, so I've made a few adjustments to my bag as well. I did not end up needing the Ziploc to tier it because of this cardigan and also because of the thickness of the loungewear set. I just went ahead and put the pants at the bottom and then the cardigan on the side, and then went ahead and put the gift set beside that. So this is what it looks like so far. And my next item, you guys are going to love this, is a wine freeze cooling cup. Now this cup can be placed in your freezer, and there's gel because it is double insulated, so it has a double wall there, and there's gel on the inside, so that gel freezes and you can put your beverage in this and it will stay cool. Now I love this cup because it comes in so many different styles, and I really love the chicness of the marble. I think it comes in around 16 different colors, and it is around $17 on Amazon. So great deal. I can see that this is one that you would use over and over again, and you can fill it with 8.5 ounces.
All right, next up I have this Timex Watch. So let me take it out of here. So this is $36 on Amazon.
It's great for all of you fitness experts out there. Now, we aren't all that into cardio here. I'm more of a resistance band girl and just kind of watch what you eat. But for those of you who like to walk or run, these are fantastic.
All right, well, here's what it looks like. It has a 100-hour chronograph, and it has 10...
She's just going to go ahead and read it to you because the truth of the matter is we don't know what any of these things mean, but we know that there's someone out there that does know what they mean. We're just not that into the whole running thing. So we'll go ahead and read it to you, and then if you know what it means, awesome. If you don't, yeah, more power to you. Get your spa set.
All right, so like I said, it has a 100-hour chronograph and 10 lap memory. And it has a 24-hour countdown timer. This is also water resistant, so it can go up to 330 feet underwater, which is really nice. And they also have a customizable alarm, and they have military time, and then it also has a day, month, and time calendar. So that's really cool. So many different features. So you guys will have to go check this one out.
And the last thing that I have on my list is a pair of fuzzy slippers. Perfect for your spa day. So it comes in this cute little bag. Go ahead and pull these out. These are extremely popular, again, on Amazon. These are actually, I think, in the top 5 of most popular slippers on Amazon. And as you can see, they are very fuzzy on the top. It is like an open toe, so it's more like a sandal, and they are indoor-outdoor slippers because they have that rubber sole to them, and they are really, really thick and cushy. So these come in 22 different color patterns. They have things like tie-dye. They have it in a double color where you have white and gray or black and white. I can't remember all of the different options, but there are many to choose from, and it has 18,000 different reviews on Amazon, rated at, I believe, 4.5 stars, and it comes in at, these are $16. So very affordable and cute. So I think we'll probably tuck these in at the back just to give it a little bit of texture and also some layers. So these are our finished bags. We've got everything inside of them. We think it's going to make one mom out there or several moms out there very happy. We have our spa day and our loungewear sets, so you guys will have to let us know what you think in the comments down below. Okay. 2. Oh. 1. Okay. Did I miss anything?
Oh, I have to start again.
Okay.
Sorry. I'm just standing here in silence.
Oh, God. Okay. What is that?
It's your phone.
Okay.
All right, and then I also have a loungewear set. Here is this 2-piece.
Sorry, our phone's going off. Let's try that again.
Do you want me to start over?
Yeah, go ahead.
What is happening?
I have no idea.
It has 3 different colors, and then the pants are
Just a solid color. And like, thanks for that. She called it sweatpants last time, and I said, girl, those are not sweatpants. Really? Yeah, so it's just a loungewear set. It's a thin material, and it's super soft. You have enjoyed your time. Okay. Hope that you enjoyed our. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. Do here with you today? Oh, for God's sakes. Good enough. It was good enough, right?
yes.
After 5 takes.